Hello, welcome to this class. Are you ready? Paper, pen, we're going to learn how to draw this. So, this is the final result. We will always start on the front part, always. We don't start from here, we start from here. It's going down, then in, then down again. This is like in a storm, a lightener, more or less the same. Down, in, and then. Then you go down a little bit, straight on a vertical line. Very short, but it exists. Because I have seen many times that people skip this part. Please do not skip this part, it's important. So you do 1, 2, 3, then you go down a little bit, and then you do this movement. It's like a weird J, and you have the first one. The lightener, go down, and then this. This is the first line, the first movement. The second one is this one, without the semicircles. It's just this, from the top. Always go down, remember, you never want to go up, down. And then the third part, the two semicircles, that you can draw them separately or together. It's exactly the same. You will see both drawings on the internet. So it's 1, 2, and 3. And there's a separation between this first line and this one. Because sometimes I see that people start this in here in the line of together. No, there's a separation, a real separation. So we draw the front part first, then this one, then the two semicircles. Now please just follow it. It's like we start. Then top, and then the two semicircles. Then you have the Seiheki symbol drawn.